So here I'm going to go through some open minor scales. All right, these are all going to be natural minor scales. So if we kind of relate them to our major scale, they're going to be 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, and flat 7. All right, now I'm going to be going through the key of the open minor scales of C, G, D, A, E, B, and F sharp and C sharp. All right, all minor scales. So first I'm going to begin with my C minor open scale. So here we go. I'm going to put my third finger on the root note, which is my 3rd fret on my 5th string. Open on the 4th string. 1st fret on the 4th string. 3rd fret on the 4th string. Open on the 3rd string. 1st fret on the 3rd string. 3rd fret on the 3rd string. And then 1st fret on the 2nd string. Now to reverse that, I'm just going to go 1st fret on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st fret, open, all on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, 1st fret, open, all on the 4th string, and then back down my root note, which is right there on my 5th string, 3rd fret. Now my open G minor scale is start with my root note, which is on the 3rd fret, 6th string, open on the 5th string, 1st fret and 3rd fret, all on the 5th string, open, 1st fret, 3rd fret, all on the 4th string, open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, all on the 3rd string, 1st, 3rd, 4th, all on the 2nd string, and then 1st and 3rd fret on the 1st string. 3rd fret, 6th string, open, 1, 3 on the 5th string, open, 1, 3 on the 4th string, open, 2, 3 on the 3rd string, 1, 3, 4 on the 1st string, 1, 3 on the 1st, or I'm sorry, 1, 3, 4 was on the 2nd string, 1, 3 is on the 1st string. Now to reverse that, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1 on the 2nd string, 3, 2, 0, or open on the 3rd string, 3, 1, 0 on the 4th string, 3, 1, 0 on the 5th string, and then my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string. Next is going to be my D minor. Alright, now this is going to start with my open 4th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string, 3rd fret on the 4th string, open on the 3rd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 3rd string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Now to reverse that, I'm just going to go 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 1st fret on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open on the 4th string. Next is going to be my A minor open scale. This is going to be open on the 5th string, 2nd fret on the 5th string, 3rd fret on the 5th string, open on the 4th string, 2nd fret on the 4th string, 3rd fret on the 4th string, open on the 3rd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open, 1st, 3rd, all on the 2nd string, open, 1st, 3rd, 5th, all on the 1st string, open, 1st, 3rd, 5th on that 1st string. Now to go backwards, it's going to go 5th, 3rd, 1st, open on the 1st string, 3rd, 1st, open on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, open on the 3rd string, and then 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open on the 4th string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open on the 5th string. Now my E minor open scale is Alright, now this is going to start with my low E open, so my 6th string open, 2nd fret on the 6th string, 3rd fret on the 6th string, open on my 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, all on my 5th string, open, 2nd, 4th on my 4th string, open 2nd on my 3rd string, open 1st, 3rd on my 2nd string, and then open second fret, third fret on my first string. Now, the root note actually, with all these other ones, I'm stopping right at the root note. So since this is an E, but you can also kind of use these two notes above it as well. So to reverse that, third fret, second fret, open, all on the first string. Third fret, first fret, open on the second string. Second fret, open on the third string. Fourth fret, second fret, open on the fourth string. Third, second, open on the fifth string. Third, second, open on the sixth string. Next is going to be the B minor open scale. This is going to be start out with my second finger on the second fret on the fifth string, fourth fret on the fifth string, open, second, fourth on the fourth string, open, second on the third string, and then open on the second string, which is B. Now to reverse that, open on the second string, second fret on the third string, open on the second string, fourth, second, open on the fourth string, and then fourth, second on the fifth string. Next is going to be the F sharp minor scale. This is going to be my second finger on the F sharp, which is the sixth string, second fret, fourth fret on the sixth string, open on the fifth, second fret on the fifth, and fourth fret all on the fifth string, open, second, fourth on the fourth string. This is going to be my first fret and my second fret on the third string, open, second, third on the second string, then open, second fret on the first string. Now to reverse that, I would go second fret, open on the first string, third fret, second fret, open on the second string, second fret, first fret on the third string, fourth, second, open on the fourth string, fourth, second, open on the fifth string, fourth, second on the sixth string. Next we have the C sharp minor scale, which actually only includes one open string, but nonetheless we're going to go through it anyways. But so what we're going to start out is my pinky is going to be on the C sharp note, which is the fifth string, fourth fret. That's the only thing I'm going to hit on the fifth string. I'm going to go first fret, second fret, fourth fret on the fourth string, first, second fret on the third string, and then open, second on the second string. Now to reverse that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit second fret on the second string, open on the second string, second fret and first fret on the third string, fourth, second, first on the fourth string, and then fourth fret on the fifth string.